is our life. And I have seen some people shooting down the cattle somewhere. And these cattle, they really helped the war last time, especially in both communities. Koryom, Mormor, and Tiger, and Jamus. These units, they were being fed with the cattle in Gore area when Kwalmanyang was the commander. That what they did was that contribution through contribution. These were the liberated Gore, Ayot, Akobo, what? They used them. Even myself, in the time when I lent down with 4,000 soldiers from Bungo, what we call Intifada. You see, Intifada was 4,000 landed with me. We managed to repulse in the Western and Wahid convoy using the cattle. I took some to Mangala, where the children was there, all from board. You see, and these cows went to Lebanon with me. The last cow was slaughtered in Lebanon, in Kurki. In 1990, January. So those who see that cows didn't do anything, they can be given history. They can be given history completely. So people have to understand that the cow is when people are kissing in Mangala, or what we call Sebel Ubur. Sebel Ubur was being supposed to have been fed with the cows brought from Bor, not from Barkadal even, from Bor community. So we have a history of the cattle in liberation struggle. And people must be shown the history that how we struggle to come to the end. We need the cattle because they are part of our struggle. And they can be appreciated, the cattle must be appreciated a lot. Brother. So I am now telling the people that the cattle are innocent ones and they help us. They help in the liberation struggle at that time. Until now, I see myself that the cattle did a lot during war time. Bor alone, leave Barkazal. Barkazal also when I was the commander here in Barkazal, and later on, President Salva become the front commander here, their front commander. We have been fed all so we still have a long way for the cattle to be used for other purposes. So now I would say for those who shoot down the cattle are doing a lot of mistakes. They fought the war. Even when I was in the Bungu, by that time, 1991, I see some cattle from Rajab West, you see, good number. And we applied so many convoys moving from Juba to using this cattle as food, you see. Some went up to Murubo side, around here, old posts who were around here, I fed them with the cattle using the meat that time. In Alero, in Dumuni, in Pakula, and also in Atende, around here. So why should they be useless now? Be shut down easily like that. So I am against it completely. And those who did that, it is a big mistake. It is a big mistake, but these are the people that are educated somewhere, politically educated, and no way to understand the benefit of the cow during wartime. Thank you very much.